17 plants that bloom instantly after planting, making sure you don't have to wait for long to enjoy the pretty blooms. Fuchsia. Fuchsia comes in a variety of vibrant colors like purple, pink, and red. The plant also attracts hummingbirds and butterflies. Geranium. Geraniums feature striking flowers that come in shades of pink, red, or white. They are perfect for someone who wants a long-lasting blooming specimen. Verbena. Verbena showcase small flowers that come in shades like purple, white, and pink. It a great choice for both gardens and containers. Dianthus. Dianthus offers pink, red, and white flowers with a unique, spicy fragrance, thanks to their striking color combination. Impatiens. Impatiens produce vibrant blooms in shades of red, pink, and white. They are perfect for shady spaces and grow where other flowers might struggle. Lantana. Lantana bears clusters of small, tubular flowers in multiple colors like red, orange, yellow, and pink. You can also grow this plant in a tree form. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums, often called mums, have globe-like flowers in a variety of colors such as yellow, red, white, and lavender. African violet. African violets are indoor plants that produce small, velvety flowers in shades of purple, blue, and white. Begonia. Begonias offer a wide array of flower forms, including tubular. Marigolds. Marigolds feature bold, yellow, and orange blooms that have an ability to deter pests, making them a functional as well as beautiful addition to the gardens. Moss rose. Moss rose features vibrant, succulent-like leaves and rose-like flowers. The blooms come in a wide range of colors from neon pinks to warm oranges and deep reds. Alyssum. These miniature blooms are often white, but can also appear in shades of purple and pink. They exude a sweet fragrance that draws butterflies. Cosmos. Cosmos features velvety petals surrounding a bright, contrasting center. Colors range from whites and pinks to deep reds and even yellows. Zinnias. Zinnias are quick to bloom, generally taking about 2 months from seed sowing to first flower. They're a great option for adding late-season color to your garden. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are quite fast to flower, often blooming within 5 to 7 weeks after sowing seeds. Calendula. Calendula generally takes about 6 to 8 weeks to flower from seed. They are relatively easy to grow and provide bright, cheerful flowers. Petunia. Petunias take a bit longer to flower from seed, usually requiring around 10 to 12 weeks. However, their colorful and long-lasting blooms make the wait worthwhile. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!